watching my video. Let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel Stephen Manalu. I'm from University of Udayana. I'm from Faculty of Engineering, and my study program is Mechanical Engineering. My student ID number is 22055311122. So this time I'll be presenting my theory about linear algebra that designed by Kuldip Singh by electronic book. I have 3 points for this time. That is 3.4 dimension, 3.5 properties of a matrix, 3.6 linear system revisited. With my lecturer name is Professor Dr. Eng Cokorda Gede Tirtanindya STMT. Let's start it. The first is dimension. Introduction to dimension. What does the term dimension of a vector space mean? The definition of dimension is the number of basis vectors or axes needed to describe the given vector space V. We will show later in this section. Nanti akan ditunjukkan bahwa that the number of vectors in sebuah basis itu tergantung oleh dua hal, yaitu linear independence dan spanning. Linear independence, garis kebebasan, dan menjangkau span. Ini ada contohnya, example 3.21. What is the dimension of R2 and R3? Evaluate the dimension of Rn. Ada solusinya. Solution from the previous chapter we know that E1 equals, di sini dari sesi sebelumnya kita dapat mengetahui bahwa E1 sama dengan 10 transpose dan E2 sama dengan 01 transpose merupakan sebuah basis untuk R2. What is the dimension of R2? Two vectors E1 and E2 are needed for the basis of R2. Therefore, dimension of R2 is 2. Jadi dimensi dari R2 itu adalah 2. What is the dimension of R3? Similarly, we have the unit vectors E1, E2, E3 in the direction of X, Y, and Z axis respectively. Sumbu masing-masing adalah natural basis untuk R3, basis natural bagi S3. Jadi dimensi dari R3 itu adalah 3 karena kita memiliki 3 vektor dari basis R3. Apa itu dimensi Rn? What is the dimension of Rn? From the last section we have that n vectors E1, E2, E3 until En form a natural basis for Rn. So the dimension of Rn is n. Jadi dimensinya Rn itu adalah n. The number of vectors in the basis gives the dimension of the vector space V. This is often denoted by dim V, dimension V. This is dim R2 equals 2, dim R3 equals 3, and dimension Rn equals n. Why does the above definition 3.17 say non-zero space? Because the zero vector space is linearly dependent. There are no vectors in the basis of O, which means that it has dimension 0, jadi kosong, 0. The zero vector doesn't need any axis. Vektor 0 tidak membutuhkan vektor 0 tidak membutuhkan sumbu apapun. 3.4.2 finite dimensional vector space. What does the term finite dimensional vector space mean? It is a vector space V which has a finite number of vectors in its basis. Here's the definition 3.18. In general, if a finite number of vectors form a basis for a vector space V, then we say V is finite dimensional. Otherwise, the vector space V is known as infinite dimensional. If the vector space V consists only of the vector 0, then it also finite dimensional. The definition 3.19. In general, in vectors V until Vn, V1 until Vn form a basis for a vector space of vector space V, then we say that V is n-dimensional. Some vector space and their dimensions. Beberapa ruang vektor dan dimensi dari mereka tersebut. Di sini ada Rn, Pn, Mn, Mn. Rn di sini dimensinya n, Pn di sini n tambah 1, Mn di sini dimensinya Mn. 3.4.3 Subspace revisited. A subspace is non-empty subset S in a vector space V, which forms a vector space in its own right, with respect to the same vector addition and scalar multiplication as its parent set V. This is illustrated in figure 3.14. Jadi di dalamnya vektor V itu himpunan vektor V itu ada S di sini. What is the dimension of subspace of V? That depends on the number of vectors in the basis of subspace. Jadi dia tergantung dari jumlah vektor di basis subspace-nya. Berikut ada example 3.22. Let R2 be a vector space and S be the set of vectors 0A. In example 3.5 telah dijelaskan bahwa ini adalah subspace untuk R2. Temukan basis untuk subspace S dan tentukan dimensi S. This is the solution. Every vector of S is of the form 0A, which we can express in the terms of E2 equals 0, 1 S 0A equals A multiply O, or 0, 1 equals AE2. This vectors E2 forms a basis for S, therefore dimension S is equals 1. Jadi dimensi 1 sama dengan 1. Ini ditunjukkan di grafik Cartesius 3.15 di sini. Jadi subspace S itu span by E2. Subspace S itu dijangkau oleh E2 ini. E2 01 dijangkau subspace S-nya. 3.4.4 Properties of finite dimensional vector space. Let V be a finite n-dimensional vector space. We have the following. The first is let V1, V2, V3, blah blah blah, Vn be a set of linearly independent vectors. Then V1, V2 until Vm, where m greater than n is linearly independent. Jadi m lebih di mana m lebih besar dari n adalah is linearly dependent. If the n vectors u1, u2, u3 until un span V, then u1, u2, u3 until um, where m is lebih kecil dari n, tidak menjangkau V, doesn't span V. This is the example. Let M22 be the vector space of all 2 by 2 M2 by 2 matrix. Show that the following matrices do not form a basis for M22. There is A, B, C. What is the dimension of M22? In section 3.4.2 dijelaskan bahwa dimension M22 itu 2 kali 2 yaitu 4, matris 2 kali 2 yaitu 4. In the above list we have 3 matrices. Jadi mereka itu tidak memenuhi basis untuk M22 karena basis M22 itu harus 4. Sesi kedua, section 3.5 properties of a matrix. Sini row and column vectors. What are the row vectors of this matrix A? The row vectors of A denoted with R1, R2, and Rn, given by R1, R2, and Rm. Sini ada A11, A12, A1n, lalu begitu juga dengan R2, A21, A22, A2n, sampai dengan Rm, AM1, AM2, AM. What are column vectors of the matrix A? The column vectors of A denoted C1, C2 until Cn are given by, jadi ada C1, C2 sampai Cn, sama seperti yang tadi, A11, A21, AM1, A12, A22, begitu seterusnya sampai dengan bagian Cn. Row and column space definition 3.23. Let A be any matrix, then A, the row space of the matrix A is the space spanned by the row vectors of matrix A. B, the column space of the matrix A is the space spanned by the column vectors of matrix A. Each vector has 3 entries of real numbers, and we can show that the column space is a subspace of R3. The vector space spanned by vectors C1 and C2 is actually a plane in R3. Showed in figure 3.17. Jadi this dark shade plane in R3 adalah ruangan kolom dari matriks B, bayangan gelap ini. Space spanned by column vectors E1 and E2. E1 ini, E2 ini. Jadi mereka span menjangkau. In general, we have the following proposition. That is proposition 3.24. Let A be M by N matrix. That is, we have A, the row space of matrix A is a subspace of Rn. B, the column space of matrix A is subspace of Rm. This is the proof of the proposition 3.24. This is the proof. For example, the row and column space of matrix A 1459 is a subspace of R2. The row space of matrix B equals min 1 39 minus 526 adalah subspace dari R3, tapi dia itu adalah ruang kolom subspace R2. (3.5.3) Basis of a row space. What does row equivalent matrix mean? Two matrices are row equivalent if one is obtained from the other by elementary row operation. This was discussed in chapter 1. These operations are multiplying a row by a non-zero constant, adding or subtracting a multiple of one row from another, interchanging rows. Jadi di sini ada 3 proposition di mana untuk membentuk basis for row space of A, basis for row space of A, basis untuk baris ruangan, basis untuk ruangan baris A itu dibutuhkan kedua berikut. Row space of A equals row space of R. Non-zero rows of R are a basis. Jadi untuk membuat ini diperlukan kedua syarat berikut, kedua ketentuan berikut untuk jadi basis for row space of A. Ini ada contohnya. Determine a basis for the row space of the following matrix. A equals 124, B di sini 139, 526, C 36, 52, 27. Lalu solusinya di sini applying row operation we have. Memakai operasi baris yang kita punya. Di sini ada A 1224. Lalu di sini non-zero row-nya. The vector 12 is a basis for the row space of A. Ada di figure 3.18 di sini. Garis ini menggambarkan ruangan baris dari matriks A, baris vektor A gitu. Lalu di sini solution buat B-nya dan juga C-nya. Basis of a span subspace of Rn diberi jika U sama dengan 123 transpose dan V456 transpose menjadi vektor di R3. S menjadi let S be the space spanned by this vector which is illustrated in figure 3.19. Jadi vector U and V span the dark shade plane. Jadi vector U and vector P span it by this vector which is illustrated in this figure, right? Next, this is the example. Determine a basis for the vector space S, di mana dia span UVB. Solusinya, let A be the matrix given by A UVV that is 1, 2, 3, 4, that is A-nya itu 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The row space of a matrix is the subspace spanned by vectors U, V, and V. What do we need to find? Apa yang perlu kita temukan? The basis for the row space of the matrix A. Bagaimana? How? By dengan cara menemukan finding the reduced row echelon form matrix R of A, and then the non-zero rows of R form a basis axis for the row space of matrix A. By using MATLAB, we obtain A equals, maksudnya ini matriks A-nya, lalu dijadikan R begini, non-zero rows, lalu R1-nya sama dengan 1, 0, min 1, dan R2-nya 0, 1, 2. Contoh keduanya, rank of a matrix. Computer graphic rely on matrix to generate and manipulate image. The rank of matrix tells you the dimension of an image. For example, the matrix A equal ini matrix A 1, 1, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2. Transform vector di 3D menjadi 2D, 2 dimensi plane because matrix A doesn't have full rank. The top and bottom rows are linearly dependent, seperti yang ditunjukkan di gambar 3.20. Matrix A will only transform vectors onto the plane shown and not anywhere else in R3. Rank an invertible matrix, ada teoremanya di sini. The matrix A is invertible. The reduced row echelon form the matrix A is the identity of matrix 1. Section terakhir, section 3.6, linear system revisited. Sini ada contoh null space. Yang pertama 3.6.1. Determine the null space, nullity, and rank of the matrix B equals matrix B di sini 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solution: how do we find the null space of the given matrix B? The null space is the set of vector X which satisfy the homogeneous system Bx equals O. Sini B dijadikan non-zero matrix RO. Lalu di sini lanjut diberikan sampai pada akhirnya di sini solusinya yang didapatkan rank B equals 2. Properties of rank and nullity. What is the nullity of a matrix A which is of full rank? Full rank means rank A equals n. Jadi nullity A sama dengan n dikurang rank A sama dengan n dikurang n sama dengan 0. Sekarang the dimension of the null space is 0. Jadi sekarang dimensi dari null space itu adalah 0. So null space only contains the trivial solution, 0 vector. Hanya satu solusi di sini, yaitu AX sama dengan 0. X sama dengan 0. Ini contohnya. Sometimes it is more convenient to write nullity A plus rank A equals n sebagai nullity A equals n minus rank A. Jadi lebih gampang ditulis seperti ini. Lebih simple, lebih compact. 3.6.3 non-homogeneous linear system. What does this proposition mean? The solution of AX equals B consists of two parts. Dibagi dua, yaitu homogeneous solution, particular solution. Jadi harus AXB ini harus, maksudnya dibagi dua. AXB ini harus memiliki homogeneous solution dan particular solution. Proofnya, let X be the solution of AX equals B. Then A multiply X minus XP equals AX minus AXP equals B minus B equals O. Hence X plus X accent is a solution of AXB. We conclude that all the solutions are of this form: X equals XP plus XH. This is the example. 3.6.4 Properties of non-homogeneous linear system. This is the proposition shows. This proposition show in Figure 3.24. This is the proposition 3.38. Rank A rank A, B equals N, full rank, the linear system has a unique solution. Rank A, B rank A, B ini lebih kecil dari N. The linear system has infinite number of solutions. Rank A, B, the linear system has no solution. Dia tidak punya solusi. Ini contohnya. Jadi itu semua dari saya. Mohon maaf jika ada kata salah. Terima kasih semuanya telah